As a continuation of what we've been doing, building an air inlet for my fiberglass hood, and the fresh air intake that comes in goes down into the carburetor, and of course the idea was to keep the outside cool air going into the carburetor away from the hot air that develops inside of this engine compartment. And pretty tight spot in there. What I'll be using here, it's kind of in a reverse order. There'll be a fiberglass, or this foam will be attached to this top plate, which will be attached to the top of the sidewalls of the pizza plate, where inside there will be an air cleaner, kind of like this one, only the one I'm going to be using will have the inlet will be on the top of the air cleaner. And what I'm doing now is I've got this thing in pieces so it's easier to show what I've done. Basically, and coming on over here, I've taken this part here. I have a duplicate of this,